Here he comes to Papa. Oh, where's he going?
But it's funny, the last time he like prefer to crawl, like when you gotta get their pants out here.
Yeah.
Now he's walking everywhere.
Come
here. Come to Grandma.
Uh-oh. There, get him, Grandma.
Not that way. There you go. There you go. Go get me.
I see you. I see you. You're a cute little guy.
Boom.
Where's Papa? Where's Papa?
Uh-oh. Close it up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Close it up. Thank you. Close it up. Thank you.
Uh-oh is right. Boy, he's getting all over, isn't he?
Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Ooh! Let me tell you, I know that hurts personally.
No. No.
No.
Can you say no? Calm
No.
down. Good boy.
Good boy.